guys. Yeah, we just check out from this hotel. Actually, there's no one in the office. I just dropped the key. The same like other hotel. If you notice that there are so many cars in here, especially there are big trucks like that, because this is the Pacific Highway. This is the freeway. Yeah. And this is in the middle of the Coffs Harbor. Abby moved here when he finished the training visa. If you remember, I accompanied him in the airport to come here in Port Macquarie. No, this is Coffs Harbor. I was there for until 12 midnight because Abby finished his job at around 9. Yeah, we had the chat. We just remembered the days before that we are in Sydney with the other guys. Was nice to remember those. This is still part of the Pacific Highway. It means that when you get here in Coffs Harbor, you're sure going to stop in some of the crossings in here. Yeah, just going to walk around here and then we're going to the next destination. Here it is clearly stated that no bicycle riding, etc. That's why we'll keep on walking. It is not really cold here as to compare to Sydney, Nelson Bay. This is the Coffs Center. Yeah, but this is a shopping mall. Inside already is open. There's groceries and Kmart and other, shop. They have this Kathmandu. Kathmandu is for me is expensive brand of clothing and other adventure activity clothing, apparel, things like that, and equipment. Yeah, luggage, shoes, everything for adventure. This is one of the residential area here in top of the Coffs Harbor near to the city center, and it is nice in here. Every town also comes with a place like this. This a place for skateboarding. Some of those kids are really young, maybe 2-3 years old, but they are already doing that kind of stunts. Amazing. And if you notice, there is also some adults that are playing the skateboards. And in this side there is this. Oh yeah, it's good. And we are back in this place. I was here looking for a place to stay, but the good thing is that I stay in the place that is near to Abby's house. I didn't know that he lives in that area. And look at this. There's so many cars in here. I don't know why. Yeah, we're going there. Okay, now I understand. There's something like a market. Ay, galing po ako dito sa isang kasama ko sa trabaho. Yeah, I met two Filipina. I had a conversation and it's nice. They said that there are many Filipinos in this place. Here it is more official. They have like stools like this, stools. Yeah, they have queues. Okay, queues. Yeah, there are many people on that side. That's why we are going this way. But we still see what they have in here. And we are now in the beach area. Look at this. Dum 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 dum. You know, I remember one viewer. He is living in United Kingdom, and he asked me if I can make a video about Coffs Harbour. And yeah, no, yeah, and this is Coffs Harbour. It is a big, widespread city. And look at this, there is another shopping center in this area. There's Harvey Norman, there is a Spotlight in there, there is Park Beach, and there is Park Beach Plaza. And they have here Big W, Target, Woolworths, JB Hi-Fi. Yeah, basically the major shops here in Australia they have in here. You know, I am hearing something weird in this bike this time. Maybe because it's the dirt, or maybe I need to put some oil and I don't have. Look at that. We're going up again. Look at this, is going very down. Look at this, we are going down. As you can see that we are in the level of those top of the trees. Beautiful. Yeah, basically a surfing area, and there is a viewing area in this way. Yeah, Rotary International. There is a second level, and there is this view. Amazing. Yeah, so it is really nice. And most of the people that I am seeing are surfers. And on that side. We are back in the Pacific Highway, and that is the popular Coffs Harbour tourist spot, the Big Banana. If I am not mistaken, that is like you know, entertainment center. There is ice skating, there is tubugan, and maybe other activities, indoor activities. I'm not sure. We're not going there. I'm finding a way to get to the other side. I don't know how. We are at the moment here in the Woolgoolga exit. Yeah, I checked in the Google map, and it's like a big town, but mostly residential area. If you can see, there is another bikepacker. Nice. It's not just me. Upstairs is beautiful set of restaurant, but look what happened to me. Again, I'm flat. Look at this. Yeah, the good thing is that I am in the center, city center, and yeah, there is one hotel there. I may be going to stay there for one night again. Not this one also because yeah, that was yesterday. Or maybe it is the same like yesterday where the patches that I put has explode again. Yes, and it is right. There is air coming out from here. Okay, it's done. We can go now. There is one shopping mall in here. There is a Woolworth, so maybe there are some restaurant and we're going to eat there. Looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, at the moment we are here in the rest area along the highway. Yeah, most of the expressway, super highway thing, there is a resting area like this one. But basically there is toilet and there are some table like this, and I actually have this chicken from Woolworth. I'm going to eat this time. Okay, so we're going to build the tent here. According to the weather, there is like a 40% chance of rain.